your engine!
Start your engine!
Rev your engine! Rev your engine! Rev your engine! Rev it up now! Rev your engine! Rev your engine! Rev it up! Rev it up! Rev it up! No!
Comrades, the suffering is out there. The hardship is out there. And we are going to work hand in hand. We are going to climb all the mountain. We are going to cross all the river. Because we are going to return Northwestern Clarendon to the People's National Party.
My swag is easy. Easy. Swag.
The National Party boasts a beautiful, balanced team of not only youth, but experience. And when you talk about a collective team that is competent, that has ideas, that is sincere, and that is credible to take the country out of the predicament that we are in, you are looking at the People's National Party. Comrades, the only thing that this government can realistically say they do is the unfinished road out by the Norman Manley Airport. Every other program that has continued in this country under this government was started by the team that you see the People's National Party has had and will put forward.
I want to hear upon the comrades and friends who have come here to participate in the second part of the mission. When we started the first part, there were some people who said mission impossible. When I gave a man a bag and pack it and he's on his way out. After the end of the first part of the tour, and the end of our conference, the most massive conference ever seen in Jamaica and the rest of the English-speaking Caribbean, the Labour Party panic. Them get confused and them say we have to find a trick. We have to find a trick that can rescue the Labour Party. And them decide that them going to try one more time to sell Jamaica a puss in a bag. But I know that all of you, all of us, smart enough, wise enough, and know say it's just a puss in the bag. And them know why you open the bag before election.
Some young men called me last week and they said to me, the last election we got $5,000. We voted for the other side and they expected the $5,000 to last for 5 years.
My father born you, my father born you, my grandmama born you, my grandmama.
We have new ideas and I have a team, a blend of experience and energy, a blend of creativity and brilliance. And all I say to you, I have never made a promise to the Jamaican people that I know I cannot keep. Never. Remember Johnstown Socks? And in 3 months, the last 3 months, an additional 24,000 persons lost their jobs. In addition to the nearly 100,000 that lost their jobs before. Yet you are being told things are better. Is your position better under this Jamaica Labour Party?
it could have Shaw, it could have Mike, it could have Tough Tongue. Any one of them. Portia Simpson, I mash them up. Same way.
My goodness, 819 potholes, and then I look and find out it was a labourite. He said, no, sir, you missed one.
The parish of Clarendon, I want to thank you for turning out in such number today.
And the comrades out above walk say that the only person that can cross it is the People's National Party under Comrade Portia Simpson.
And then they came to Parliament wanting details of our chief. They must come up with their ideas and let us discuss our ideas, our programs, and their ideas. The People's National Party Jeep is an all-weather vehicle. It can manage any terrain.